Do I get enough ventilation in my home? The answer is likely no. We have three sources of contamination of our home's air. The first one is our natural function like breathing, also our activities such as cooking. Second source of contamination is off-gassing of stuff in our buildings. Think of the new car smell, but in trace amounts. And the last source is bacteria and mold that get airborne in the home. Especially in the colder season, people tend to close their windows and not have a lot of ventilation in their places. But that can have a negative impact on the health and well-being of the occupants. Worse yet, you might go nose-blind over time to the smells and you might tolerate them in high concentrations. So it would be worthwhile to explore ventilation alternatives and strategies to increase the ventilation of your home. This can be really good for yourself and your family. Studies have shown that the students tend to get better math score when the ventilation rate of their classrooms is higher. We'll discuss strategies to improve your ventilation in another video.